want to just say a little more about Marcos. You know, in New Mexico, we need northern New Mexico candidates. We need locals with political traditions to be our leaders. You know, there's a generation that has moved on, that has not died. I'm still around. Or Eric, you know, we're still pretty vigorous, but you know, there's new generations that need to come up. And maybe what we're seeing here, getting started, is the start of a new generation. For the next DA in northern New Mexico, Marcos Serna.
Well, thank you, Gov. I do appreciate that, and I can't tell you all how humbling it is for me to have Governor Richardson, one, speak on my behalf, the words he used, but also to introduce me for my first race.